The evidence points to intelligent design of the cosmos and of life. This is confirmed by the impossibly high statistical improbability of a materialistic view of creation. The materialistic view posits that the universe and life arose through purely natural processes over immense timescales, without any divine intervention or intelligent design. However, careful analysis reveals that such a view faces immense probabilistic hurdles that render it statistically untenable. One key issue is what's been called the time magic fallacy, the idea that given enough time, anything is possible, even statistically near impossible events. As mathematician Émile Borel showed, when probabilities drop below certain thresholds, around 1 in 10 to the power of 50, events become so unlikely that they essentially never happen, even over time, scales far exceeding the age of the universe. Yet a naturalistic origin of life and universe requires physical parameters and molecular arrangements that are far more improbable than this universal probability bound. For the universe to support life, fundamental constants like the cosmological constant and strength of gravity must be fine-tuned to an astonishing degree. Even minuscule changes would result in a universe incapable of forming stars, planets, and complex chemistry. Physicist Roger Penrose calculated the odds of a life-permitting universe arising by chance as 1 in 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 123, a number so vast it exceeds the number of atoms in the observable universe. Others have reached similar conclusions about an extremely narrow circumscribed set of life-permitting conditions. The origin of life faces parallel probabilistic challenges. Experiments show that the chemical building blocks of life, amino acids, nucleotides, lipids, sugars, do not naturally assemble into the specific complex structures and sequences required, even under highly favorable conditions. The simplest known living organism has over 500 genes, and experiments indicate that a minimal self-replicating system would require coded information equivalent to around 300 to 500 kilobases of DNA. The odds of such information-rich molecules forming by blind chemistry are astronomically low, even under intelligent intervention. Without guidance, the probability becomes effectively zero. Compounding these challenges is the issue of cascading improbabilities. Even if individual low-probability events could conceivably happen given enough time, multiple such events occurring in succession rapidly pushes the odds into never-never land. Like a slot machine needing to hit the jackpot over and over, each wildly improbable step makes the next exponentially more unlikely. Biology is filled with interdependent systems and chicken-and-egg conundrums, with no viable stepwise materialistic pathways. In conclusion, while materialism is a common assumption, the scientific evidence points strongly away from a purely materialistic, unguided origin of the universe and life. The time magic fallacy cannot overcome the towering probabilistic hurdles involved. The data are more consistent with an intelligently designed cosmos than a random fluke of nature. As biologist Michael Denton put it, the complexity of the simplest known type of cell is so great that it is impossible to accept that such an object could have been thrown together suddenly by some kind of freakish, vastly improbable event. Such an occurrence would be indistinguishable from a miracle. Thanks to Oxian, edits for clarity are mine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts.